Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Khandokar Rubel. Today I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on your DirectAdmin hosting panel. So, go to your favorite browser. This is my browser and log in your DirectAdmin hosting panel. This is my DirectAdmin hosting panel. And now you have to download latest WordPress version. So, create new tab and just search WP latest version free download. You will get a link here, wordpress.org. Just click here. You will see this page and just download WordPress 5.3.2. I'm going to download it. Okay, start download. Wow, thanks for staying with me. I'm going to open folder and copy it my desktop. Then I'm going to unzip it. So extract file. Okay, it is finished. This is my folder. I'm going to delete this and go to this folder. Again, I need this file only, so I'm going to select it and again make it zip, compress, add to archive, WordPress.zip. Okay, it is okay, and just need this folder, so I'm going to click and move it desktop, close it and again delete it. We need to upload this file only, so go back to your hosting panel and click file manager. Then click public_HTML. So actually this is our main folder where we have to upload our WP zip file. So select all and delete. Okay, now we are going to upload file. Which one? Just go to my desktop and this is my targeted zip file, so open it and upload. Wow, close. It is complete. This is our folder. So go to our main website. This is just reload it. Nothing here, so we need just click it and just unzip it, extract here. Okay, extract. It is complete. Okay, so just reload this website and it is an interface. You have to select your language, so I'm going to select United States English. Continue. Now they give us a direction. We have to create database name, username, password. So let's go, and we need this information for fill up this page. So go back to your DirectAdmin hosting dashboard and create a new database. So you have to go MySQL management. I'm going to there, create a new database. D care B 19. Okay, random password here. Okay, so create this. Okay, this is our database name, so copy it and right here database name, database Ctrl V, and password. So this is our password, Ctrl C, and password Ctrl V. Database host, localhost, it is default, and WP, just change it CE. So before submit, we need to connect this database name, username and password. So go to your DirectAdmin hosting panel and again go to your file manager, then go to your public underscore HTML, then we need to find out wp-config.php. wp-config.simple, so edit file, just scroll down and you will see this option there, database name here, so and database user, database password. So here paste your database password, Ctrl P, and database username, this is our database username and database name, so copy it and paste there. So database, Ctrl V, Ctrl V, everything is okay, just save it and then submit it. Wow, it is okay. Now run the installation. Almost it is done. Now we have to fill up this page, site title, just SKIN, skincare, and username Khandokar Rubel, that's my name. Password, your email is Khandokar Rubel@gmail.com. Just copy it because you need this details for password there. Mail and okay, install WordPress. Now installing, okay, install done, success. Now we need to log in. Just paste here your password and write your username, just log in. Wow, this is done. This is your WordPress dashboard. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and if we visit this website it will showing this view. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, please like, comment and share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks. আমার এই ভিডিওটি যদি আপনার ভালো লেগে থাকে, ডোন্ট ফরগেট টু সাবস্ক্রাইব, প্রেস দ্য বেল আইকন এন্ড নেভার মিস অ্যান আপডেট। দেখা হবে পরবর্তী ভিডিওতে। টিল দেন টেক কেয়ার, টাটা।